Yep.
Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to sharpen blades on a lawnmower. The same principle applies to all lawnmowers. Every one of them is going to be a little bit different. What we have here is a Kubota ZD21 diesel powered lawnmower with a 60-inch cut. It's a commercial grade with a fabricated deck, and it's designed for some heavy grass cutting. So they were kind enough to provide this mechanism here, which allows us to raise the deck up so that we can, it basically facilitates the sharpening of the blades. So you just turn this crank here. But what I want to caution about is you don't want to just do that blindly. So what you need to do, there's two pins right here, and you need to remove those two pins, and there's some cotter keys in there. Basically, you just want to remove the pins, and just like that, that frees up the mechanism that this jack is working against. So now that those are removed, we can crank up the front end and get some clearance so that we can work underneath the deck. And we don't need a lot of clearance. It doesn't have to be all that much, so that's probably enough. I don't have a combination wrench. I would ordinarily recommend a combination wrench where you have a box end and you can remove the bolt on the blade, but unfortunately all I have is this adjustable wrench, and so that's what I'm going to use today. So basically all I'm doing is I'm removing the nut that holds the blade captive on the spindle. Now I've already loosened it, so I made it a little easier. I take the blade off. This mower has 3 blades. I'm just going to show you the one. But basically, what you have here is a nut, or a bolt rather. This boss here that's got splines in it, and you've got a couple of washers that secure it against the spindle. So as you can see, this blade really needs sharpening. I noticed when I was cutting grass today, it was not doing its job, so we're going to sharpen it. So let's go outside. Before we begin sharpening the blades, one thing that we need to do is pay attention to safety. So before we do any grinding, we need to wear our safety glasses to protect our eyesight. And so I've got my PPE for eyesight protection, and then we're going to take our PPE for hearing protection. Okay, so now I've got just an ordinary angle grinder with a 1/4 inch grinding rock on it. What I'm going to do is basically secure it in place and try to create a 45-degree edge on the blade, just like this.